Good morning. I thought I would take a little video tour. It's early and the sun is just coming up. The cats are just waking up. They don't usually eat this early, so they're sort of confused about what I'm doing up here. Here comes Gracie, and there's Sasha, and Finnegan behind him. Gwennie and Freddie are over there in the cat house. They like to sit there when the sun comes up. Otie's looking out the cat door. Ellijah's right here. Hi guys. Good morning. So this is the kitty house. It's sort of in the middle of about an acre of land with woods on one side and field on the other. It's springtime, so our cherry tree's starting to bloom. Hi everybody. The kitties have their own fenced yard. It's a perfect fence. The top is kind of has a spring in it, so if you climb up there, it bounces down again. No one's gotten out. One opossum got in, and I got her into a trap and got her back out. Hi, Ellijah. She was used to visiting the cats, and I think she just wanted to go say hi. We had some baby possums on the porch who got used to the kitties. This is the yard. And we're in the process of expanding the fence a little bit. It's pretty peaceful at this hour. Get another angle here. Juniper is coming out of that little feeding station. Otie's going to come out the cat door, I think. I have the heater on in there. It's a little cold today, so everybody's in their little kitty houses. Go in here. Hi, Ellijah. I have straw along the edges because it's kind of like having horses, I guess, in a field. You have to rake it up. We had litter boxes over on a special little lounge over there, but it turned into more of a lounge. They didn't want to use the litter box. They do use the one in the shed, though. But for the most part, they're used to being colony cats. So we just rake all that up and bag it. Hi, Otie. Otie's yawning. Hi, everybody. And this is the gate. Open it. Good morning, sleepyheads. Some of these styrofoam boxes came from where they originally were, which was in a colony. They came from, I believe, 3 different colonies that they inherited. They had feeders who took care of them for somewhere around, I don't know, 11, 12 years. Hey, Freddie. Freddie! Freddie says, where's breakfast? Hi, guys. So they have cat doors that go into the shed, 2 of them. Majority of them still like to sleep in their kitty cat houses. That's what they're used to. Hello, Mr. Otie. Good morning, Otie. Hi, Ellijah. Freddie's escorting me. He wants to know where the food is. It'll come. It's a little early, though. Just getting the sun coming up. Hi, Ellijah. Hi. There's Mickey. Hi, Mickey. I was thinking of expanding the fence a little bit towards the woods so they have a little more shade in the summertime. I'm planting some more things. Mr. Otie. Good morning. Good morning. What do you guys do? I know where breakfast is. Is it Scott built a little step here to help us get up. Good morning. I have their food from last night. Emily's on her little chair with her cushion. I came in earlier and she was here with Otie also on his cushion, and Ellijah was up on blankets. Ellijah likes this cat bed. So Scott built all these shelves all the way around. There's one that goes across the top. And with an air conditioner. Those are some kitty houses I'm working on. There's little steps, little shelves, 2 windows. That's a relocation crate. I just got up, so I haven't cleaned it here completely. I clean up every night, and by morning somebody's used the potty. Hi. Hello. Elijah's gonna get up on the shelves and look around. Hi, honey. Whee. There's the ceiling fan. And it's a little dusting. And an air conditioner. And a space heater. It shuts off if it tips over. Elijah's going to look out the window. It's a nice view out there. Hi, babies. Good morning, Miss Emily. How are you today? Hi. Hello. 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 They all want to know where their canned food is. They have plenty of dry food, but they like canned food a lot. I have a nice little view out the window. I have that little umbrella stand. Hopefully this year I'll get to painting everything. I'm usually so busy doing kitty cat chores and I don't get the painting done. I didn't get to the painting. Oh, the sun's coming up. Hi, honey. Let's see. Hi, guys. These nice steps that Scott made. And a little railing. That's nice. Cats like to jump up on the railing. They even jumped up on the roof. I haven't seen them do that again, but Finnegan and Gracie thought that was great fun. Hi, Finnegan. Hi, honey. Good morning. Hi. Hi, Finnegan. You're so pretty. Yes, you're so pretty. Yes, you are. Finnegan and his sister Gracie were born at a machine shop, and they lived under a dumpster for a few weeks before they were big enough to eat kitty cat food, and then I trapped them along with their mom, Gwennie, and they moved in. They were some of the first residents. Freddie was the first. He lived in the shed, and then they moved in, and then Sasha. Where is Sasha? Sasha usually escorts me everywhere. Oh, there he is. He's watching something over there. They have a second little deck here that they like to get under. Let's go see. Oh, the sun's coming up. They love to sit on these styrofoam boxes when the sun comes up. These guys used to go in the shed, but for some reason they always choose the outdoors. It's just what they like. Gwennie has so much fur. She's so puffy. You're so puffy. They do know how to use the cat doors, but they won't be talked into it. Hi, Sashi. How are you this morning? You look chilly. What you doing? Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. This is pretty boy. That's my pretty boy. That's my beautiful boy. Yeah. Yeah. Hello. I took the straw out of their cat houses and they put it in here for a potty area, but they actually used it as bedding. That particular straw is nice and soft. Hi, Sasha. Oh, somebody's gonna climb the railing. Let's see. Hi, Otie. Let's see the big deal over here. Who's that big deal? Who's that big deal? Finnegan's showing off. Are you showing off? Yeah, that's pretty impressive. Yeah. Ellijah. You can start hearing the trucks going by in the morning. Nice dear. What are you doing? Well, everyone else is asleep apparently. Everybody's sleeping. Hi guys. Mickey, where's everybody? Oh, there's Juniper. Hi, Juniper. Juniper is Elijah's mommy. She came from the machine shop too. Yeah. Hi. Hey, pretty girl. Elijah wants to know where the food is. It's his main concern. And somebody's just showing off. Someone's just showing off. You happy boy? What a pretty boy. Just thinking about jumping on the roof. Well, that's pretty much the tour. Emily's at the cat door now. Hello. Hello, how are you? I have some of their older houses. They used to live under a hedgerow. And these were kind of their disreputable houses that are kind of out back. They're still functional. There's styrofoam boxes inside of plastic boxes, or plastic boxes inside of plastic boxes with straw. They're not beautiful. But they like them, so I kept them. We have all the bushes and trees in the woods. Everybody likes to line up along the fence and watch the critters. I have some logs in here for them to scratch their toenails. Ellijah. Hi guys. Well, everybody will wake up in another hour or so. It's a little cold this morning, so they're not out. This is Mickey. Mickey used to live in a very dangerous location at the store, sort of closer to the sign of the store by the road, in a drainage area where Freddie lived. Guys. Alright. Well, good morning, everybody. I'll let you continue napping.